right, hello 8th grade. We are going to work on the box method one more time. I forgot to put the date on here. So it's Wednesday, April 29th, okay? The only thing that's going to be different is we are going to put some number coefficients in front of our variables, but everything else is going to be exactly the same, okay? So let's go over the steps. All right, you're going to need to draw your box, all right? Basically a rectangle divided into 4 boxes. Okay. Then you are going to label your sides with the variables and the constants. Okay. Then we are going to multiply. We will combine like terms, okay? Generally, they're the ones found on the diagonal. All right, and then we're going to list our final answer. And your final answer, I would like it circled so I can find it. Okay, so let's go over 2 that I've already worked out, and then we'll do 2 together, okay? So here's the first one, right? We've got 2x plus 2 times x plus 2. So I took my first binomial, listed the 2 terms up here, 2x plus 2. My second binomial is x plus 2, okay? I put the 1 in front of the x. If that helps you, you can do that. So 1x plus 2 listed on the side. Okay, now I'm going to multiply. So I'm starting in the corner. 1x times 2x is 2x squared. Then I finish it up. 1x times plus 2 is 2x. Then I come down to this term. Positive 2 times 2x is 4x. Positive 2 times positive 2 is positive 4. Okay, here's where I combine my like terms. So I end up with 2x squared plus 6x, because 4x and 2x is 6x plus 4. Okay, on your homework, I would like your final answer to be circled. All right, if it helps you to circle these terms that you're combining, you can do that too. Okay, okay, here's the next one. 3x plus 3 times x plus 5. If it helps you to put the 1 in front of the x, you can. I drew my box. Okay, I listed my terms, 3x plus 3, 1x plus 5. Okay, then I multiplied. 1x times 3x. 1 times 3 is 3, and x times x is x squared. All right, remember this box generally has the variable squared. Right? Then 1x times positive 3 is 3x. Positive 5 times 3x. 5 times 3 is 15. We put the x on. And then positive 5 times positive 3 is 15. All right, I combine my like terms and I end up with 3x squared plus 18x plus 15. Okay, once again, if you could circle your answer, that helps me find it when I look at your work. Okay. All right, now let's do 2 where we'll fill in the box together. Okay, I'm going to stick my 1 in here. So I have 1x plus 7 times 7x minus 6. So I'm going to put my 1x plus 7, and then I'm going to put 7x minus 6. Okay, now I'm going to multiply. 7x times 1x. 7 times 1 is 7. X times x, x squared. 7x times a positive 7. 7 times 7 is 49. All right, and then I put the x variable on because there is no x up here by the 7. Come to my next row. Negative 6 times a positive 1x. Negative 6 times 1 is a negative 6. And then I put my variable on. Negative 6 times a positive 7 is a negative 42. Okay. I'm going to combine my like terms. All right, so my answer would be 7x squared. A positive 49 and a negative 6 would give me a positive 43x. And then I put my constant down, a negative 42. Circle your final answer. Okay. All right, let's do one more. Binomial 9x minus 2. I'm going to list it. 9x minus 2. 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4. Okay, now I'm ready to multiply. 2 times 9 is 18. X times x is x squared. Okay, 2x times a negative 2. Right, 2 times 2 is negative 4. And I put my variable on. Positive 4 times 9x would give me 36x. And then positive 4 times a negative 2 is a negative 8. Okay, I'm going to combine like terms. So I would have 18x squared. Positive 36, a negative 4 would give me 32x. And here's my constant of a negative 8. And then I circled my final answer. Right. So 8th grade, you are going to have, I think I gave you 8 of these to do. All right, they are very similar to the ones I just did in the video. All right, you're just going to notice there's a number coefficient in front of your variables. That's the only different thing that we added. Okay, you're going to find the problems on the Google document. All right, then you're going to do your work on a separate sheet of paper. Right. When you're finished, you're going to take a picture of it and send it to my email. All right. That way we don't have to worry about trying to figure out how to show exponents on a Google document. All right, I just figured it was easier to draw it, write it, and then just send me a picture. Okay. 8th grade, I hope you have a good day, and I will talk to you tomorrow. See ya.